This is why you need Firestone EPDM for your flat roof. Say goodbye to leaks and constant repairs. At Miller's Roofing, we specialise in Firestone EPDM flat roofs. These roofs aren't just durable. They have a life expectancy of up to 50 years and come with a 20-year guarantee upon installation by us. Imagine a roof that resists cracking, peeling and harsh weather. That's Firestone EPDM for you. Worried about maintenance? Don't be. This rubber membrane is low maintenance and eco-friendly, reducing your energy costs by reflecting heat. Plus, it's super easy to install, causing minimal disruption to your home. Why settle for less when you can have the best? Contact Miller's Roofing today for a free quote and see how Firestone EPDM can protect your home. Call us today, the numbers on the website millersroofing.co.uk or email info@millersroofing.co.uk. Miller's Roofing, your trusted friend in roofing solutions.